Ready to transform your small business into a booming success? Dive in as we unravel the secrets of a killer marketing strategy and discover a tool that will skyrocket your growth. Stay tuned, success is just a click away. Hello, small business owners. Welcome back to our channel. This is your go-to place for actionable business insights and strategies. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on our valuable content. Today, we're delving into the basics of creating a robust small business marketing strategy. And hey, we have specially crafted a template to guide you through this, but more on that later. Let's dive right in. So first and foremost, when you're putting together a marketing strategy, you want to have an executive summary. Think of this as kind of your business compass. It outlines who you are, what your mission is, the goals you aim to achieve, and remember, clear, measurable, and time-bound goals are the cornerstone of successful strategy. Your executive summary is the key takeaways you can share with investors or other business partners about what it is you're aiming to accomplish with your marketing strategy. So next up, we have the world of market research. This is where you uncover the golden nuggets about your industry, your target audience, your competitors. Knowing the landscape helps you find your unique spot and uncover opportunities to shine. Now let's talk about your heartbeat, the unique selling proposition or USP. What makes your business stand out? How do you address customer needs uniquely? Crafting a compelling USP is about resonating with your audience and being memorable. Moving on, we have pricing and positioning. This is about defining your value and how you want to be perceived in the market. It's essential to balance providing value with maintaining healthy profit margins. It's a dance, and finding the rhythm is the key. All right, time to make some noise with your promotional plan. How will you get the word out? From digital marketing like SEO and social media to traditional methods like print advertising. It's about mixing and matching to find what makes your brand really pop. And of course, we can't forget measurement and analytics. Track your progress, understand what's working, and be ready to adapt. It's about being agile, learning, and optimizing for success. Now, these are just the building blocks, the basics to get you started. Crafting a comprehensive marketing strategy involves diving deep into each of these elements, and that's where our small business marketing strategy template comes in. So curious? Drop the link in the description below. Our template is a step-by-step guide designed to navigate you through the crafting a strategy that's robust, customizable, and tailored to your unique business needs. About turning insights into actions and visions into reality. So I encourage you to check out the link, explore the template, and embark on a journey to elevate your business. It's an investment in your success, a tool to navigate the entrepreneurial waters, and a companion in your growth journey. Now, in the next few videos too, we're going to be breaking down each of these sections to help you understand and craft a really strong small business marketing strategy. So, small business owners, that's a wrap on the basics of creating a small business marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others. Don't hesitate to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Remember, the journey to success of business starts with a click. Access the template. Let's build something extraordinary. I'll catch you in the next video as we break this down and build your marketing strategy together.